In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a quick capture system in Notion so you can save ideas and tasks as soon as they come to mind. Let's get started. Open Notion and create a new page. Add a table database and name it something like Quick Capture or Inbox. Create properties such as type, status, priority, date, and tags. Use the type property to separate notes from tasks. Whenever you have a new idea or to-do item, create a new entry in the database, add a title, choose whether it's a note or task, and fill in any additional details if needed. Create filtered views to organize your workspace. For example, make one view that shows only tasks and another that displays only notes. You can also sort entries by date or priority. Review your quick capture database regularly, moving important tasks into your main project databases and organizing notes into their permanent locations. That's how to create quick capture notes and tasks in Notion. Thanks for watching.